Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the NUBBYO True Wireless Earbuds. These are sport earbuds and model E6. They have Bluetooth 5.0, have a working distance of about 10 meters for Bluetooth range. Has a 500 milliamp capacity on the charging case. Inputs 5 volts. Has a 6mm drive, and then some other information. And it says right here it's IPX4, water resistant, auto pairing, call audio in both ears, standby time 400 hours, music playback time is about 5 hours, so you can use this for about 5 hours. And then if you were to do talk time, it would be 6. So let's get into this. So this retails for about $30 to $40 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description, but it's very inexpensive if you want a pair of sport wireless earbuds. So here's the case. It's fairly big. It's not very, it's portable, but it's not portable like you could put it in your pocket along with other stuff. So right here we have some accessories for the earbuds. Right here you have a micro USB to Type A cable, and then you have some small and large earbud tips, and then you also have a user manual, and you have a scratch off giveaway card. You scratch this off, contact them, and tell them the code underneath, and follow with the procedure. And then here are the earbuds itself. Pretty good case. It is not magnetic, at least I don't think. It doesn't feel like it's magnetic. Yep, it's probably just a hinge. On top you have a little caution sticker, and then the earbuds themselves. So they fit pretty good in the ears. They have a nice red and gray little accent around the earbud tip, and it looks pretty good. So yeah, these fit really good in the ear. It has ear cup hooks that are made of rubber, so it won't slide around. This part right here is flexible, has no internal components, so you're able to stretch it and do whatever you want with it with the earbuds still working. You have touch sensitivity, so you can tap once to pause, tap twice to skip or wind, and then you could tap 3 times to volume up, volume down on whichever earbud, which is pretty cool. And it's pretty much impossible to put in the earbuds differently because it's configured so the earbuds are obviously able to fit in the exact spot. So you can't mix up the right on the right left and the left on the right because it doesn't have the engravings. But the magnetic in the inside, the magnets are pretty strong considering it's only 2-prong. But anyways, it's pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and test out them, and we're gonna get back to you with the test. Alright, so these sound really good. They don't have a lot of bass. They're decent on bass, but they do sound good. Mainly, it's good obviously for outdoor runs. They don't have active noise cancellation, at least not that I'm aware of. It is little to none noise active cancellation, but they do fit very comfortably in the ear. I guess it's for safety reasons, like if you're going out on a jog, you're able to keep aware of your surroundings, and that's pretty good that they thought of that. But the case itself, pretty big, obviously. One downside of that, battery life is really good though. If you were to take these on a run, just take out the earbud things, leave the case at home, and you're able to last throughout your whole workout session, no problem. We're going to go ahead and compare it with a few other earbuds, and we're going to go ahead and just show you that. So yeah, here are a couple earbuds, as you can see. Okay, see, I'm good. All of these are good. They all have their downsides, they all have their negatives, their pros, cons. But you can see a clear representation that this case is bigger than every single pair of earbuds here. So it is not going to be able to fit very well in your pocket. They do have a good battery capacity at 500 milliamps. Other batteries don't really have that. Some of them are around 100, 200 milliamps. This one's at 400 milliamps. So I guess you're configuring it a bit different. But the form factor is huge compared to all these other ones. Build quality is decent. It's made out of polycarbonate,